Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Happy New Year's! And today you are going to cook with me. And we are going to cook 차돌박이 계란밥, which is sliced brisket egg fried rice. I actually never tried this before. I wanted to eat like spam kimchi fried rice, but I don't have spam. But the only meat I have is the sliced brisket, so I'm gonna go with that. And it's actually 8:35 p.m. right now, and I still didn't eat, so let's ASAP this. So first, I'm gonna cook rice. So the ingredients that I brought is some garlic, green onion, butter, 2 eggs, and sliced brisket. Let me get my hair up. So first on a bowl, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs. And then green onions. They are frozen. And next I'm gonna put some oyster sauce. 1 spoon. And then some sesame oil. Bam. And mix them. Wow, that smells bomb. Oh my gosh. Okay. Looks pretty gross, but we'll move on. Let's go. Next on the pan, normal oil. And a little bit of butter, just to be more unhealthy, you know? Then some garlic. Wow, it smells so good already. Oh my gosh. Okay. And I'm gonna get some brisket and just cut it down. Oh, it smells so good. Do I need more rice? Maybe. Salt. Ta-da! I don't know if it looks good, but hopefully it tastes good. And I brought some kimchi. Hopefully this tastes good. Okay, taste test. 뭐야 뭐야? Wow, I love sliced brisket in the first place. So it tastes so good. I love garlic. I love green onion and eggs. And I love oyster sauce. So it tastes so good. 조금 깜짝 놀랐어. Honestly, when I smelled it, it didn't smell good. So I thought it was gonna be bad. Oh. Oh, and this is leftover jjampong 국물 from my lunch. Actually, I'm not really feeling this because I ate this for lunch. Last bite. I'm craving something like really cold and sweet after that food, so I'm just gonna eat a little bit. There's only a little bit left too, I think. Oh, there's half left. hugging the strawberry. This is why I gained so much. Yeah. Okay, good. Huh? Hello, I am so full now, but hey, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.